Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from eTimes TV.
You know, there was this DOP that I worked with in my very first show, सपने जौन लड़कपन के, and उन्होंने ना मुझे एक बात कही थी जो मुझे आज तक याद है, कैमरे के सामने कुछ नहीं छुपता, अगर आप बिना कन्विक्शन के साथ परफॉर्म करते हैं तो वो दिख जाता है. I'm someone who's never satisfied with the work that I do. You have no idea. I'm so nervous when it comes to the audition process, and we as actors, लोगों को ये believe नहीं होता है, but we still audition for characters that we get called for. Obviously, बहुत बुरा लगता है जब लोग आप पर एक, you know, they kind of typecast you or they sort of have a remark on you, but it's fine and it's absolutely fine because I think it's their perception to TV acting or the actors that work in TV.
Hi, Mayura.
Without the
Hi.
mask.
How, the lockdown somehow took a toll on you.
Yeah, it did.
How difficult was that phase to come out of it?
Well, it was very difficult considering the situation that we all were in together, because we all are in this together and we have to get through it being together. So I think one thing that I realized through the lockdown, that humanity is something that can sustain only if we try and help each other. And that was the biggest takeaway from the lockdown, that it has got no limits, it has got no like a bar to it, and because people are there for each other and people are for people. And I think we were also doing that through our social media by amplifying relevant information, to trying to help people, to trying to as much as do as much as we can by sitting indoors, but also be empathetic for everybody that has been going through a number of situations, a lot of tension around. So it did took a toll on me, especially the first lockdown. We were all new to this and we didn't know how to handle it all. Because the period it kept on changing from a month to 2 months, and then it later happened to be a year. So that was difficult, because especially for people who always been working, we are someone who are used to being on our toes. We can't sit still. So to be able to gauge everything, to be able to just get used to the situation, and also we knew that we are doing it for ourselves. We are trying to keep ourselves safe as well as our family, and it was the right thing to do. But it was, I think everything has its own pros and cons. For some people, on some light, for me, lockdown was also a discovery about myself. I got to know a few things about myself, which I don't think would have happened otherwise, because we are so busy working, because we are so busy just making it through the day. And I think especially for Bombay, it's always like a rat race. We keep on running. We have competition, we have work, we have n number of things. So I think this was a pause for all of us. This was a pause, and I think a key situation. So then let's take it positively. I think this was a blessing in disguise for us to be able to discover ourselves, to reinvent ourselves, and at the same time it was a pause for Mother Earth to heal itself. So that's how I look at it.
You were part of Shubharam, and that show was appreciated for the concept and for the performances. Were you hurt and disappointed when it was abruptly shut down?
Obviously, no actor is happy or satisfied when a project ends. And obviously, same thing happened with me, because we all were a team. As actors, one gets empathetic with their characters. I was playing Rani for almost a year. So somehow there's a part of you which gets attached to that sort of character, and then set becomes family. It becomes your second home, because we actors, we don't even get back to our house some days, and we spend 14 hours a day on set, 30 days we are working, and that has been my pattern for all these years. Obviously, I was deeply hurt by the fact that, the show has to go off air so soon, because it was doing well numbers wise and people were appreciating it, and it was one of those shows which was liked and also had great numbers. And I think that is a task for any project, to be able to gauge numbers and at the same time to be appreciated when it comes to the concept and characters and all of that. So that was one show for me. But I'm really happy that I got to be a part of that show, and I was, being a protagonist, there's also a responsibility that you carry on your shoulders. So I'm happy that I was appreciated, and koi baat nahi, I again look at it positively that Shubharam khatam hua, so I got to be a part of the other projects that I have. So I think I look at it that way कि कुछ अगर कुछ शुरू हो रहा है तो वो खत्म definitely होगा ही.
But Mahima, are you one of those actors who take TRP pressure?
I don't think so. I think I would rather take pressure of giving my best in front of the camera. And that pressure, believe you me, is very difficult. To be able to make through every scene and to be able to give your best on every scene is very difficult. To be able to bring something new to the table, to be able to try and give your best for every scene is very difficult, because we all know how TV works. We all know how we shoot in bits and pockets, where we are now shooting a crescendo and the other scene is going to be something drastically difficult to what the previous scene was. So, there is variety of emotions. See, obviously, pressure subconsciously gets onto your head because you are heading the show. So I can't avoid the fact that numbers have to be good, because of the numbers the show is going to sustain. But I can't let it affect me so much that amplifies in my performance or that affects my performance. So I would be, obviously every actor, every technician working on that set wants, koi nahi hai chahta ki show ki TRP agar kam aaye to koi baat nahi. No. But at the same time, it's an achievement for any actor or any producer when their product is liked and at the same time is doing well when it comes to numbers, because there are a lot of projects that we have are not great when it comes to numbers, but content wise, performance,
they are excellent.
They are fabulous. But having said that, I also believe that the audiences are evolving and they now want to see different type of content, even on TV. So that's really nice to see, because I've also seen this whole medium grow. I've witnessed it. So I think that's beautiful.
Also, Mahima, we recently saw lot of brilliant and gorgeous and stunning images, I must say.
Thank you.
What made you go through that entire, makeover sort of photo shoot?
As actors, we always look for variety when it comes to characters. We don't want to do the same old thing every now and then. If you have also seen the choices that I have when it comes to my projects, the project that I take, be it Rangbaaz Phir Se, be it Sapne Suhane, to Rishton Ka Chakravyuh, to Mausigullu, there's always been variety. So I think now that I keep running after variety attracts me. I know it sounds funny, but this whole transformation photo shoot was I guess needed for me as an actor, to be able to change the perception that people always had when it comes to me. Because what happens is, when a character does really well, or when a particular show does really well, people have a sort of, audiences for that matter, have a sort of perception that she'll only look ki ye bas
they typecast
you, and I think portfolios are also important professionally for an actor, but I just wanted to have a variety when it comes to the looks that the characters that I'm looking at. People have never seen me perform like a fierce woman, or someone who has a different layer to her. So, I and my team that we had on board, we somehow were on the same page, and we were just trying to experiment when it comes to looks, when it comes to styling, when it comes to a lot of things. And there are a couple of more looks which I have not revealed, which, I think people would be waiting for. I'm also excited to be able to see what they want, how they react on that. So I think photo shoots are important in a way to be able to change a perception, and at the same time, it for an actor, we also understand कि हम ऐसे कैसे लग सकते हैं या फिर कैसे नहीं लग सकते हैं. We also get to know, and also, variety is the spice of life. I've always believed that one should always keep on changing their ideas and the way they look at themselves, because change is the only constant. So I think that maybe it was needed. Maybe it was needed for me to be able to experiment with myself, and as a brand or as an actor, it was just important for me to be able to just experiment and see कि कैसा लग रहा है. Let's just give this a try. So I think more than calling it a physical transformation, it was a mental transformation that I had through the whole photo shoot.
But the intent was definitely to break that, the television girl next door or a bahu image that you had. The intent was that.
See, there was no sort of intent that I had. I just wanted to experiment with my looks and see how audiences or how the industry reacts to the looks that I'm trying to experiment with. So obviously, like I said right now, that one doesn't want to be stagnant with the choices that they make or the way they look or the way people are perceiving them. So it in a way it worked for me that the photo shoot was perceived, or the image sort of was broken. So I think that was something that I was hoping for, and then it happened. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि टीवी की इमेज तोड़नी है और आगे बढ़ना है, ऐसा कुछ करना है. I just wanted to just have a change.
Mahima, you have been part of the industry for quite some time now, and you have done so many different shows and different genres you have experimented with. Tell me how evolved as an actor you have become, you think?
I'm someone who's never satisfied with the work that I do. You have no idea. I'm so nervous when it comes to the audition process. And we as actors, लोगों को ये believe नहीं होता है, but we still audition for characters that we get called for. Right now at home, because the studios are not opened and because the casting directors are also working from home, to be able to convince the other person on, the people on the other side of the table, to be able to give them a sort of conviction that I am made for this character, or to be able to just give them a sort of idea that Mahima or I am that character is the most difficult part. Because, I'll tell you, audition में ना आपको एक scene दिया जाता है, which is the 50th scene of the 100th scene that they have on the project. So to be able to understand what that character must be going through, to be able to just change a variety of emotions or the range of emotions that, I think the one quality that I've evolved, or the one quality that I've got all these years, is to be empathetic and sensitive with my characters. For me, there is no negative, positive, grey character. I think a character or a person does anything that maybe satisfies him or her, और जो उनके लिए सही हो, वो सामने वाले के लिए गलत हो सकता है. So that's how you try and understand the psyche of the negative grey characters. They are doing a certain thing which is absolutely rubbish to us as an audience, but it's convincing for him. So I think I'm still evolving, and right now all three mediums that I have fortunately got to be a part of demands different type of acting. So to be able to understand that is very difficult. One has to draw a line between when it comes to performing for either of these mediums. One can't do a theatre acting on TV and TV acting on the other side. See, because believe me or not, the magnification that every medium demands a different type of acting for an actor to do. And उसके लिए आपको technicality समझना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. So I think this growth has happened over years, but I don't consider myself that, maybe because I've worked for so long, I've learned it all. I think learning never ever stops. And I'm still learning. Yeah, it never ends, and I'm still learning. And I just had a feeling that, जब लोग आज performance देखते हैं किसी की भी, तो लोग कहते हैं, oh, where were you and you've done such a great job, but they don't understand the impact. The impact that those scenes had on you is the amalgamation of that person who's worked hard for all these years in their life. It's not just कि आपने एक दिन में कैमरा के सामने क्या कर दिया. I think जो भी आप experiences करते हैं, right from the smallest part that an actor gets to the biggest part that he or she has. Everything makes a difference. Every experience counts. You know, I also believe in the fact of butterfly effect. Today, a show might not work in my favor, but tomorrow I would understand the consequences or the effects of doing that. So I think growth itni rahi hai to be just to understand and you know just be I just empathize with the characters that are given to me. Yeah.
But as you said, you know, हर तीन medium में आप काम कर चुकी हैं, and you know that you know all the three mediums require a different type of acting. But there are many instances when actors, TV actors have come on board, you know, have openly said कि उन्हें इस तरीके से treat किया गया है कि उन्हें बोला जाता है कि you know ham मत करो, overact मत करो. TV actors तो बहुत overact करते हैं, ham करते हैं. Have you ever faced such kind of criticism?
I have, and I still face it. And there's nothing wrong with it because it also depends how one reacts to this sort of criticism. I also believe in if a criticism is constructive, we better work on it. And if not, ignore it. Because I think there'll be a lot of people in the industry who would come and tell an actor कि आप ये करो, आप वो करो. I think एक actor वही करे जो उनको convince करता है अंदर से. Because you know there was this DOP that I worked with in my very first show. सपने जवान लड़कपन के. And उन्होंने ना मुझे एक बात कही थी जो मुझे आज तक याद है. कैमरे के सामने कुछ नहीं छुपता. अगर आप बिना कन्विक्शन के साथ परफॉर्म करते हैं तो वो दिख जाता है. So I think believing in ourselves is very difficult because we have a lot of heads around us and we have a lot of criticism happening around. But just keeping focus on the mark and just not getting haywire by the idea of competition because competition तो होगा ही. So to answer your question कि जब कि मुझे you know criticize किया गया है या नहीं काफी बार किया गया है. I also have instances when I walk into a casting director's you know room and they just like, oh, you're a TV actor. So you know there's a kind of expression that people have and it's fine. You know, one gets immune to just ignoring that and just being thankful कि I got this opportunity to prove my point. And I also believe कि आपका काम आपके लिए अगर आप you know let your work do the talking. And that's it. So I think people will come, people will go, they will do the talking, but all one has to do is believe in themselves and grow every single day. Single day. So I think
but do you
and
get
I'm still
hurt?
growing.
But do you
Obviously,
get hurt
why
by
would
these,
not one I mean obviously बहुत बुरा लगता है जब लोग आप पर एक you know they kind of typecast you or they sort of have a remark on you, but it's fine and it's absolutely fine because I think that's it's their perception to TV acting or the actors that work in TV and we I would also represent TV actors. We work in extreme circumstances that nobody would understand. We have to deliver episodes and we have to make so many deliveries every now and then. And being the protagonist of the show, all of us have slogged. And you know, and they would not understand that because they might not know how TV industry works and the kind of, and keeping all that aside, the kind of love and the appreciation and the fame that I've got, it's from TV. So लोग तो आएंगे उनको जो कहना है कहेंगे, but I can't forget the fact that you know it's TV that has given me so many things. So yeah, I just believe that you know actors, especially in these times, require to have a lot of versatility and fluidity in the performance that they have to offer. So learning should never end.
But you also believe that you know once you want to try different medium with comments like this coming in, you know, every now and then, you have to become a little थोड़ा thick-skinned भी बनना पड़ता है if you have to survive.
Obviously, see, I think actors के लिए मेरे हिसाब से सबसे difficult ये होता है at one point or at every point when they have been offered a script, they have to be vulnerable and very sensitive when it comes to empathizing and understanding the range and the gravity of characters, script, all of that. And on the other hand, they have to be thick-skinned. to be able to just not get immune, but just keep that aside and focus on the growth that one has to have. Because if one keeps paying attention to the comments and the criticism, like I said, if the criticism is constructive, then please, we all have to work on it. But then if it's of no use, then just keep that aside and just focus on the growth.
Thank you so much, Mahima. Thanks for taking out time and talking to us.
Thank you.
Any last messages?
Lastly, I would just say that I would be back with a bang, but you'll just have to be patient, just like how I am right now. And apart from that, in these times, I would just send out a message and ask everybody to be patient. And अगर आपको ज़रूरी है घर से बाहर निकलना, तो ही आप घर से बाहर निकले. And just take care of yourselves and take care of your family and live in the present, because times are such that we don't know what the future holds. But just stay in the moment, be positive, and take care of yourselves.
Yes. Thank you so much, Mahima. It was pleasure talking to you. Take care of yourself too, and
Thank you.
Be happy always.
Thank you. This is a lovely interview. Thank you.